Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by assembling ingredients. 2 pounds ripe tomatoes, 1 large onion, 4 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp sugar, 1/2 tsp pepper, and 1 tsp dried oregano. Chop tomatoes into roughly 1-inch pieces so they break down quickly. Finely mince garlic and onion for even distribution. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoon olive oil. Then sauté onion until translucent, about 5 minutes. Add garlic and cook 30 seconds until fragrant. This prep ensures an even, flavorful sauce from the start. After sautéing garlic and onion, add chopped tomatoes and 2 tablespoon tomato paste to the pan. Increase heat to medium-high and sear for 10-12 minutes to reduce excess water and concentrate sweetness. Pour in 1/4 cup red wine or broth. Scrape up brown bits, then lower heat and simmer. Use an immersion blender or transfer to a blender and puree until smooth. Return to the pan and simmer an additional 15-20 minutes to thicken. Stir occasionally and taste, adjusting 1 tsp salt or 1 tsp sugar as needed. To finish, remove the sauce from heat and stir in 2 tablespoon butter or 1 tablespoon olive oil plus 1 tablespoon chopped fresh basil to add shine and round the flavors. Taste for final seasoning. Add up to 1/2 tsp more salt or a pinch of sugar if too acidic. Serve immediately over pasta or grilled protein, or chill slightly and store in airtight jars. Refrigerate for up to 5 days, or cool to room temperature and freeze in 1-cup portions for up to 3 months. Reheat gently over low heat before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.